Cold clicks won't buy if you don't warm them up first. So in this demo, Chad uses OfferMint Pro to build a two-step flow, lead capture, and a bridge page so that you can grow your list and pre-sell before sending traffic to the offer. You'll watch the exact steps on screen, so stick around to the end for my bonuses.
But on top of that, what if I told you you need to be able to generate leads? And I am going to show you the fastest lead generation, and not only the fastest, but also the easiest way to create pages where we're going to create the first step, which is where you're going to capture the name and email. And then we're going to create the second step, which is when they submit their name and email. This says, hey, thank you so much for submitting. Click the button down below to check out OfferMint or whatever it is you want to promote. All right, so next, be prepared to have your mind blown, okay? Over here on the left-hand side, we're going to come over here to this one that says Instant Pages, and we're going to go ahead and click on Lead Steps, okay? Now, lead steps and bridge pages are very, very similar in nature, but they serve a very different purpose, okay? So the first thing is I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Create New Lead Step, okay? And for this, I'm just going to go ahead and call this OfferMint, all right? And I'm going to say Add Lead Step. All right, so here's what just happened, right? The software went and loaded all of these designs. Now, you may recognize some of these designs, right? These designs come right from the wild, meaning there's all these Facebook ads out there, and then when somebody clicks the link in the ad, it takes them to a page like this. This is called a lead capture page. And these pages convert really, really well. But what if I told you that there's two steps to this process, right? So there's the page that you're looking at right now, and the goal of it is to capture somebody's name or email or phone number so that you're able to follow up with them and make sales, and you can do that through by emailing them, right? And then the second step says, hey, thank you so much for entering your name and email. Watch this video, and then if you like the offer that I'm presenting, then go ahead and click the button down below and grab it. Right? So you can promote offers like OfferMint if you had an affiliate link, okay? So we're gonna do both steps at once, but notice this little spinny thing over here where it says click here to get started. I'm gonna go ahead and click this, okay? And see how it's like a mobile layout? There's a reason for that. What if I told you everything I'm about to do we can do from our phone, okay? So all I gotta do is go type in 3 fields here, okay? And I'm just gonna copy it over here from GPT. And look how everything starts to change. Every single one of these templates are changing. So that was a call out statement. This is like who we're trying to get the attention of. Okay, and then for the headline, I'm gonna go ahead and paste that. And this says, build your offer, map your plan, and launch faster than ever with OfferMint. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put for the call to action, this can be like enter your email or something. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. And now we can go ahead and close this and look at this here. All those high converting designs, like look how clean this is. It has now taken our copy and it's applied it to all those designs so that you can find the one that you like best. And I'm going to tell you right now, for me, there was one over here on the right-hand side that I really, really liked. This one right here. So you can preview them if you want to, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click select. Now that I've done that, I am pulled into our very, very simple, fast, easy to use editor. And you can see that there are 2 steps, just like I told you. Step number 1, step number 2. Step number 2 has a video, right? Now, if I come over here and if I were to change this color, watch this. So that's a new color, right? That's a new blue. Let's make it like a red, right? It changes it here, but it also changes it here. If I increase the font size, if I increase the font style, if I change the color, if I do any of those things, it is going to adjust it in both places. And the reason why is because this sync button's on. Pretty cool, right? So we have step 1 and we have step number 2. Now, I'm gonna go back to the blue. I thought the blue was a lot cleaner, okay? So there's our blue. All right, now check this out, okay? I'm gonna come over here and just flip a switch. Boom, look at this. Look at how incredible this is. You've seen these designs. These designs make a lot of money, folks. But you know what? We're just getting started because not only do we have a solid color background, we could go ahead and pull in an image if we want, but check this out. How about if we add a gradient background? How about if we have this color and this color, right? Look at this. And we go through here, we can change the angle, right? Look at this, we can change our stops, we can do all this stuff, but now let's come over here, let's have a little bit of fun, something you've never seen before. How about if we choose checkers? What's that look like? Look at this here. And we can increase the size, we can decrease the size. Look how cool this is. So now you don't even have to have images, right? Now, this software, guys, let me warn you, I am on a T-Mobile internet connection. I am on a cell phone connection just because I live in the fancy part of Vegas. It has no internet. But guess what? Fastest you've ever seen. So if I come over here and if I click this button, watch this. Boom. Look how fast that is. I didn't like fast forward the video or anything. I don't have to. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try this. cnicely37@gmail.com. Save your seat, and it's going to redirect to step number 2. That fast. Like, I didn't cut it. I was talking the whole time, right? So now let's come back over here and let's go look at the dashboard, right? So we'll come back over here. Let's look at lead steps. And what do we got? Well, we had 1 view, 1 opt-in, 100% conversion. Let's do it again. So we'll come back over here. Even though I'm on a unique IP, cnicely40@gmail.com, save your seat, and then boom. Let's come back over here to the dashboard and let's go ahead and refresh it and let's see what we got. What do we got now? We got views, 1, 2 opt-ins. Perfect. This is exactly what we want to have happen. So now let's just come back over here and let's make this solid. There we go. That's pretty clean, right? And now I'm going to come over here and let's go to lead steps and let's come over here to these dots and we'll click on setup URLs. Remember I told you you can have unlimited domains, right? So I've got redideal.com/h1. That's fine. I'll go ahead and go with this. So you can choose all these domains until you get your own added in there, right? So we're going to go ahead and click on save links. And now let me come back over here and let me show you how fast this opens on the phone. I think you're going to be able to see this. Okay, I'll just hold the phone up because I'm just that professional. All right, so you can see it right there, right? Boom, and whammo. That's how fast it goes. All right, let's go ahead and opt in on the phone. And let's see what we got. Okay, so I got cnicely55@gmail.com. Reserve your seat. There you go. I'm hoping that you guys could see that, right? Like, that's how fast this happens. You are able to go out there and create pages just like this to capture leads for your business and then redirect them to an affiliate offer or anything you want to promote. This is how you really start to make money. This is how you go out there and build a list that you can email every single day. Different offers that I have, offers that other people have. Like, it's incredible what you're able to do, right? And here's the cool thing. I can come over here and let's go ahead and refresh it again. There you go. You got 3 opt-ins. And let's come over here and let's go ahead and click on page leads. Look at this here. All of those leads are ending up over here as well, where you can go and you can export them. You can do whatever you want to do. Plus, you can go, yes, you can tie them into an autoresponder and everything else. We have a whole entire integration center, right? So that is how the lead steps work. And I've only scratched the surface because I don't want this video to be too long, right?
That walkthrough is clean and doable, right? Well, if you're ready to build what we just saw, I've got exclusive bonuses. My 50 hot niches list for instant product angles, and for the pro upgrade, a custom GPT that generates OfferMint product ideas for any niche. It's only for my viewers, so click on the link in the description to grab the software and the bonuses now.